In this problem, we want to list the points in the graph at which the function is not differentiable. Now, a function cannot be differentiable when there are corners in the graph or when there is a vertical tangent in the graph. Anytime the function is discontinuous, it is not differentiable, and also if a function is not defined, then it is not differentiable. So looking at this graph, if we look at x sub 2, notice there we have a corner in the graph, so therefore it's not differentiable at that point. And if we were to try to draw a tangent line at that point on the curve, we wouldn't be able to because we have a corner there, so it is not differentiable. Also notice the same sort of thing is happening at x sub 4. We have a corner there, so it is not differentiable. Same thing at x sub 5. We have another corner there, so it is not differentiable. Now at x sub 7, our function is not differentiable, and it's not differentiable here because the function is not continuous. Notice here the limit, as we move in from the left and right hand side, the limit exists, and that we have a function value, but it is not continuous because the function value does not equal the limit. Or kind of an informal way of saying that is if we try to graph this function, we have to lift our pencil at that point to graph it, so it is not continuous. And then at x sub 8, our function is not differentiable, and the reason here is because it's not defined. Notice we have a hole in the graph there, so it's not defined at that point. Therefore, it is not differentiable. So in conclusion, we can say that at the points x sub 2, x sub 4, and x sub 5, the graph is not differentiable because we have corners. And then at x sub 7, it is not differentiable because it is not continuous at that point. And then at x sub 8, the function is not differentiable because it's not defined at that point.